Hello everyone, I am MacLucky, and in this video I'll show you how to install and activate Autocad 2026 for Mac. First, I'm going to open this file. After that, we'll run file number 1. Now, double-click on the Install Autodesk Autocad 26 for Mac. Let's wait a moment. In this window, enter your Mac password and click OK. Let's wait a moment. Click Agree to the terms of use. Next. Install. Let's wait a moment. In this window, click Allow. In this window, click Start. In this window, click Allow. Close this window, and close this window. Close window. Now, double-click file number 2, Autocad 26 patch. Continue. Install. In this window, enter your password again and click Install software. Allow. Perfect. The installation was successful. Close. Now that the activation process is complete, we'll go to our Applications folder and open Autocad. Close the window. Allow. Click on this button. Let's wait a moment. Click Allow. And that's it. Autocad 2026 is now activated on Mac.